Team Money stereo installation. Found the parts that I already bought. Do you know how many parts there are to put together a rear end for an Impala? When all your stuff is shot, there are a lot of parts. You got the blank canvas right here that I can copy from, so I know where everything lays out at. Originally we had a regular chassis frame over here, but we couldn't get that done because you can't put a normal frame underneath a convertible car, so you gotta have the right stuff. So little by little I am getting all of this laid out. There are so many parts that go with this. Sometimes you may get scared, but if you plan it out, think it out, you can figure it out. And that's what I've been having to do. Hence, I thought about it and I brought the old frame in so I can see pretty much how everything lays out. And so it's like having a playbook right there in front of you. And the screws you don't own, you can go get, and you know how it all goes together. Somebody's been in here messing with my screws, I see. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. So I got the playbook right in front of me. So it's like model cars. If anybody ever built model cars when they're little, which I built plenty. And that's how it goes together. If I can't... Well, we're on day 2. Got the rear end assembled onto the car. Mass cylinders up in there. Lines ran. Backing plates on. Hardware semi-plumbed through here. Emergency brake cables installed. All bolts are tightened up back here. Gotta do some more pre-bending with this fuel line and brake line. Running up to the front. Gotta do the parts that goes just to that. Now we're on to the front suspension now. Got them coils up in there. And so I'm working on disc brakes next. The new rack and pinion, I guess you would call it, minus the ram system. So we're gonna go with the new style. Got disc brakes for 14s. Yeah, getting these coils in by yourself is not the easiest thing to do, but I did it. Break this bearing off of here tomorrow, because I guess it got left on when I got powder coated. Hope that there should be a YouTube video that goes with how this rack and pinion goes. If not, I'm just going to center it, make it up as I go along, put them both to the same equal length. There really was no instructions in the bag, just one piece of paper, so I assume there's something online about it. Gonna get a... Yeah, I'm gonna assemble this disc brake system over here and see if my stock wheel can go back on it. I'd really like to be able to get the stock 14 back on it. That's why I bought this system, so we can run hubcaps or wire hubcaps. But if the stock 14 does not go on there with that rim, I got this rim I could pull down. I think that's a 14. Wait, let me look and see. I'm not sure. I got this rim right here I could pull down, which is off of a newer Nova, which I knew it had disc brakes on the front. So we're gonna got a few different rims over here. So I want to loosely put that together tomorrow and see what rim actually fits on that. And but we're getting closer. Gotta do some make 'em up stuff over here. But this right here, that's supposed to be a part where the shifter goes, linkage goes. So yeah, that part. If you like what you see, like, click, and subscribe, because this is your do-it-yourself channel here. And well, not really do it yourself, just let you see what I see. Yeah. So you know if I can do it, you know you can do it too. That's all I got to say. I'm out. So it's good to have examples. As you see, this one went together. But it would not have went together if I did not have an example. So I need to take pictures of this, because when you buy a kit, it doesn't come with all the parts. You may think it comes with all the parts, but certain things like these little pushers that go right here do not come with the kit. The emergency brake cable piece that's in the back of that, they don't come in that kit. Sold individually. So good thing I held on to this before we send this down the road to someone else who could benefit from it or whatever. Got the parts, copy and repeat. Gotta go. Hey y'all, this is Rob from... I don't want that. Stop. Well, today is frame day, you know, and give thanks to my man Tank, who told me, boy, you can do that. So I've made it happen. And as when I had that leak right there, he showed me what to do about that. And so I was like, you know, okay, cool. I ain't taking all the credit. Who do I want to thank today? Me. That's who. Me. That's who. Box Chevy, a work in progress. Hey, moving on up like the Jeffersons. Come on, man, come on, man. Oop, course correction.